Hi guys, welcome to another episode of Fitness for Transformation. My name is Juan, and today I'll be teaching you how to do plank shoulder taps. Let's go ahead and take it down to the ground and get into our starting position. You want to make sure that your hands are stacked directly below your shoulders as you enter the high plank. Your core is engaged and your neck is neutral. We're going to widen out our stance at our feet and narrow in our stance at our hands. Not necessarily a diamond push-up, but keep them just in from shoulders width. Once you're ready to begin, we're going to bring our right hand up to our left shoulder, return to the ground, and alternate arms. That is one set of shoulder taps in a plank position. Let's go ahead and do a couple of those back to back to see how they flow together. Again, we start with our hands stacked directly below our shoulders in a high plank position with our core engaged and our neutral neck. We're going to go ahead, widen out those feet, narrow in the hands, and we're ready to begin. This time we'll bring left hand up to right shoulder, back down, right hand to left shoulder, back down, and we repeat. Stay in a nice strong plank, focus on your form, and try not to sway your body left and right as you switch hands. Keep those joints stacked, and focus on your breathing. Breathe in through your nose, and out through your mouth. And that is how you do plank shoulder taps. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit subscribe. I post instructional fitness routines every Monday, Wednesdays, and Thursdays, and I look forward to seeing you next week. Thank you for watching.